This is how to migrate your website to another domain. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my name servers to my new host. So in this case, I'm going to be moving this website to this domain, Ultimate Test Site. I'm going to manage it. In this case, I'm using Hostinger, so you just basically find the name servers for your specific hosting plan. In my case, I'm going to go here, click on hosting and plan details, and the name servers will be here for Hostinger. Yeah, and then I'll just change them. So get rid of these. This is what you copy, not these ones. So it'd be like this. And then you'll just save that. I'm using Namecheap for my domains. This domain won't work right now because it takes a while for the DNS to update. So it should still give nothing yet. It'll say like yes, I can't be reached. If you bought your domain with the host you're using, you probably don't have to change any name servers. It should be automatic. In my case, since I have the domain with Namecheap, I have to like add it myself. WordPress. I'll just skip it for now. So I'll just use an existing domain since I already have it. It's the same. Alright, so it probably is just taking time to update. Oh cool, okay, it works. So it updated. Finish. Okay, so now that I got my the site I want to move this site to, we can start the process of copying this site over to this one. For the next step, we have to install this plugin on both websites. So you go to plugins and then download this one, add new plugin, and then you would search for Wpvivid, and it'll be this one, migration backup staging. So, and then we have to log into this website and add the plugin here too. Okay, so then you go to plugins and add new plugin. It'll be the same thing. Wpvivid. You activate it. It has to be activated on both sites. And then the next step will be to generate a key. So you need to generate a key on the destination website. So since we're moving this website to this one, the ultimate test site will have to have the key. So you click on key, generate, and now we generated this key. Then we have to copy this key to the website we want to clone. So we would go to auto migration and paste that key. Yeah, so we're going to transfer it to this domain. We're going to just do everything, database plus WordPress files, and then we click clone, then transfer. So this will transfer the old website to the new domain. So once the cloning is finished, it will appear in the backup section of the new site. So you click restore. Okay, so you just click restore, and it'll start the process. And then the site will be successfully copied over. If you get a 404 error page, like I did earlier, you can just reset the permalink structure, and it should fix it. Mine auto fixed. I don't know. I was clicking around here, and I don't recall resetting it, but I did go here, and then when I checked it again, it was working.